Kasi kung ikaw yan, sinabi na karami, inahalong ikaw.
I choose CSU because in CSU Carig, you get quality education by providing you meaningful learning experiences. It endeavors a bold commitment to develop well-rounded graduates ready in the workplace. CSU, in College of Engineering and Architecture, is envisioned to serve as an avenue for quality and affordable engineering education.
I choose CSU because CSU Carig has research centers like Metals and Engineering Innovation Center, an Electromobility Research and Development Center, a Food Innovation Center, and other research centers. And I know that these research centers will help us a lot with our course.
Located at the heart of the Regional Government Center in Carig, Tuguegarao City, 900 meters away from the National Highway, we bring you Cagayan State University Carig Campus, the home of the Red Eagle. One of the 8 campuses of Cagayan State University. The 19.8 hectares campus is the largest campus in terms of student population, faculty instruction, and academic programs.
What's your course?
Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering.
Yes, agriculture, the largest consumer of the land. The only thing in our country which involves the 3 of the 4 elements: air, water, land, and its additional 4th element, man. When combined with the knowledge and principles of engineering, technology, and biological science, problems in agriculture will be solved.
This is Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering.
Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering refers to the application of engineering science and designs to the processes and systems involved in the sustainable production, post-production, and processing of safe food, feed, fiber, timber, and other agricultural and biological materials, and the efficient utilization, conservation, and management of natural and renewable resources in order to enhance human health in harmony with the environment. Consists of crops, forestry and other plants, poultry, livestock, fisheries and aquaculture resources, and other animals, wildlife and other living things.
BS Abe is somewhat a very broad program. It has everything and sometimes noted as master of none but jack of all trades. The allied program to ABE are agriculture, aquaculture and fishery, forest products engineering, environmental science, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, industrial engineering, and economic.
Agricultural and Biosystems Power and Machinery refers to farm power and machinery for the production, harvesting, processing, storage, manufacture, preserving, transporting, and distribution of agricultural and biological products or materials, and includes but is not limited to tractors and their attachments, power tillers, seeders, transplanters, windmills, harvesting machines, crop protection and maintenance equipment, irrigation equipment and accessories, greenhouses and other thermal conditioning equipment, livestock, poultry, fishery and forest equipment, slaughtering equipment, meat or fishery and crop processing equipment, post-harvest machines such as milling machines, dryers, threshers, grain and other strippers, agricultural transport machinery, and storage.
Agricultural and biosystems buildings are structures referred to buildings and structures for the production, harvesting, processing, storage, manufacture, preserving, transporting, and distribution of agricultural and biological products or materials, and includes but is not limited to silos and its components, agricultural and biosystems machinery and equipment sheds, farmhouses, green or screen houses, poultry houses, piggery houses, slaughterhouses, farm-to-market roads, farm bridges, agricultural and biological product storage or warehouse, buildings and structures to poultry, livestock, fishery and forestry production and processing, kiln drying and lumber treatment structure, farm equipment, farm supplies, and other structures such as self-feeders and soil and water conservation structures.
Agricultural and biological waste utilization and management refers to the development of systems, processes, and equipment for agricultural waste disposal and utilization and environment-friendly technologies such as, but is not limited to, compost plants, biogas plants, biomass utilization technologies, systems, and processes.
Agricultural and biosystems automation and instrumentation refers to the use and application of agricultural and biosystem sensors such as computer models for control and automation in the agricultural and fishery production in the biological systems, and likewise robotics for farm operation when use of machine are difficult or impossible. Agricultural and biosystems machine design and automated controls, precision farming systems, agricultural safety and controlled environment agriculture, in the development and application of metrology equipment such as moisture meters, weighing scale, and other metrology equipment.
Agricultural and biosystems resource conservation and management refers to the measures of conservation and proper management of agricultural and biological resources, such as but is not limited to area development for agriculture, settlement and recreation, parks and plant nurseries, beneficial ecosystem of life and environment, study and analysis of agricultural system as an integrated component of landscape, monitoring and conservation of natural resources, rehabilitation of forests, lakes, rivers, and idle lands, and the sustainable development, management, and exploitation of the agricultural ecosystem.
Agricultural and biosystems engineers are uniquely qualified to use their knowledge of mathematics, biological and physical sciences, and engineering principles to solve problems relating to the production, handling, and processing of biological materials for food, feed, fiber, and fuel, the preservation of natural resources and environment quality, and the design and production of machine systems. A major in agricultural and biosystems engineering can serve a broad range of career interests and can provide excellent career opportunities for men and women from diverse backgrounds.
If you finish the degree, you can be an agricultural and biosystems engineer, survey research agricultural engineer, environmental controls engineer, food supervisor, agricultural inspector, agricultural specialist, farm shop manager, researchers, agronomists, plant psychologists, soil scientists, microbiologists, agricultural crop engineer, and others. So to all students out there, if you want to involve in the field of agriculture and you want to become an engineer at the same time, take BS Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. Agriculture is extremely important in our lives because it is not only provide us with food but also with employment opportunities, resources, and technology. It has been the foundation of man's existence and survival. Be part of us and help us to solve the problems in agriculture and produce more and better food for society. Take Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering and study at Cagayan State University, Carig Campus for quality education and meaningful learning experiences.